my techie whiz kid brother MB.
Habari, how you doing?
Today, we're going to make a bongolala out of an old bucket,
Sema.
a mobile phone,
Sema.
and a battery pack.
Sema!
What is it? I'm talking to my friends.
But you need to tell them what a Bongolala is.
Oh, yes. A
Mm-hmm.
Bongolala is a silly robot invented by Tobor, the evil tyrant. That bumps into things and makes a mess of everything.
It makes me laugh every time I see it.
Right. To make your very own Bongolala, you will need an old bucket, like this. Remove the handles, but hold on to them for later. Then you draw your face. You can do any face you want. A silly one, a scary one that looks like your mom or your teacher. For me, I'm going to make this silly Bongolala face like this. Then attach some floor scrubbers for feet and an old battery pack.
Don't forget Babu's old mobile phone.
Ooh. Ta-da!
Samahani. The person is not available.
Sorry.
Samahani.
Get it.
Sorry. The person you are ringing is not available at the moment. Sorry.